Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Sheets for forecasting strategy step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.google.com and press enter. In the upper right corner, click on the Sign In button. If you already have a Google account, enter your email address and click Next. On the next screen, enter your password and click Next again. If prompted, complete any additional verification steps to confirm your identity. Once logged in, click on the Google Apps icon, represented by a grid of dots. Scroll down or search for Sheets and click on the Google Sheets icon. You will be taken to the Google Sheets homepage, where you can see a list of your existing spreadsheets. To create a new sheet, click on the blank sheet option or select a template that suits your needs. With your new sheet open, you can start inputting your data for your forecasting strategy. Be sure to save your work frequently to avoid any loss of information. To share your sheet with collaborators, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of those you want to collaborate with and adjust their permissions as needed. Once you've shared your sheet, you can begin collaborating in real time. Explore the various functions and features of Google Sheets to enhance your forecasting strategy. Utilize formulas and charts to visualize your data effectively. Remember to regularly update your sheet as new information becomes available. You are now ready to use Google Sheets for your forecasting strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.